Welcome to 16333 Tarpon Drive. This is a home on Innerarity Island featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms on a cul-de-sac that is in a double gated community along Russell Bayou and the Intracoastal Waterway. So this is a 2016 build featuring hardy plank siding, and it has lots of awesome features. So walking into the landing, one of the awesome features here, this is an elevator. It goes all the way up to the 3rd floor. We have a garage to the left, and then we have another space here that is stubbed out, plumbed out for either a in-law or a 5th bedroom. So walking to the main living space, we have 3 master suites in this home, 2 of them on the 3rd floor and then 1 of them on this main living space. So walking in, you're greeted with lots of natural light, recessed lighting, and views from all angles. So we have that covered balcony off of the main living space. This home is coming furnished. All the furnishings are from Big Fish, and that painting above the couch is from a local artist in Destin. Walking into the main floor master suite, beautiful double French doors, walking out to the balcony, and these gorgeous huge windows. We have a double vanity in the master bath, as well as a large soaking tub, walk-in shower with mosaic detail, and a water closet. So we'll also come back and take a look at that balcony on our way back down. We've got huge walk-in closets in this particular master suite. So this is the largest master suite of the 3. Coming back into the living space, we have a very large bar as well, great for entertaining guests. Granite countertops, soft close cabinetry doors, GE stainless steel appliances, and this nice KitchenAid downdraft range. To the right, we have a huge oversized pantry for lots of storage. To the left, we have the stair landing, and to the right is where we have extra storage as well as where the elevator comes up. So this is the guest bathroom on the main living floor with a tub shower combination. We also have a very large utility room featuring a wash sink and storage cabinets. You have peak views of Russell Bayou from here. This home also features a Econet, which is smart technology that will help control your heating and cooling system from your phone. So from the landing, on the 3rd level now, we have this wonderful loft space for accommodating extra guests and their sleeping quarters. So this furniture features some pull-outs and can sleep an additional 4 people. So the elevator comes up here, and then we have additional storage in this room, and where both the up and downstairs HVAC units are. So walking into the first master suite on the 3rd level, we have a double closet to the left. We've got this beautiful view with double French doors. This is a shared balcony. As you can see, those beautiful pines and Ono Island. This bathroom features one single vanity, and then we have a walk-in shower with that gorgeous mosaic detail and toilet. The other master suite is essentially the exact same thing, it's just flipped around. To the left we have the double closet, we have the French doors walking out to the balcony with those beautiful views, that nook, single cabinetry, vanity, and the mosaic walk-in shower. Walking back to the main living space, we're gonna go out to the balcony and walk down to take a peek at the garage, as well as the space that could be turned into an in-law suite, or really, I mean, whatever you would like to do with it. So outside we have that beautiful sandy beach that was installed with a seawall overlooking this beautiful marsh, natural marsh area. Walking into the lanai, we have a enclosed saltwater pool as well as spa combination. Huge patio, screened-in patio. You could fit one of those swinging beds. You could actually fit several of those swinging beds out there. It's so large. So this is a double garage. You could fit 2 cars in here tandem. And this is the space I was speaking of that is plumbed out to either be an in-law or a 5th bedroom. So this is the access point to the landing when you walk through the front door. We have storage underneath the stairs, as well as that fishing storage here. All of the electricity is ran to code, which is 4 feet up.
Hello. How are you?
Hi. Walking out onto the dock, there is water and power on this 200-foot dock. Approaching us, we have stairs down to the water on both sides, and from that we have a lift on a pulley system for either a kayak or a small boat. So here's where we have those gorgeous views of the natural marsh, the pines, Ono Island. We have Perdido Pass, Orange Beach there, and Bear Point over to the right. So in the boathouse, it's a 30-foot boat slip, and the seller has said that he can fit a 27-foot boat in it. So it's great for the avid fisherman. That is a remote powered 10,000 pound capability lift, and to the left of that is an additional slip. We have a cleaning station out here, several fishing lights in the water that attract many redfish. The owner has said he's caught some awesome redfish out here. And then there's 3 spigots out here. This is the perfect property for the avid boater, fisherman, or somebody just looking for a quiet, beautiful waterfront home. Give us a call if you'd like to see this new listing.